Bonjour mes amis de chaque niveau de français. Hi all my French friends, all levels. This video is going to be going over how to make your very own fortune tellers for activity 1. I think it's for all levels for week 2 of quarantine school choice sports. So we're going to need the following items: piece of paper, bring about the calamity with it, scissors, please be careful, and assorted markers. I just kind of found these somewhere in my apartment, so any will do. Any will do. You don't have to be fancy. So in doing this, I'm going to try to figure out the best way to show you what I'm doing as I'm doing it, and I'll be showing the paper. So I think what I'm going to do is I am going to tip you guys. So here we go. Let's do this. Can you kind of see the paper on the screen? Somewhat. Okay, you know what? This works. This works. So you start with your piece of paper. Ooh. And you're going to do the thing where you fold to make a square. And this is not going to be perfect. It does not have to be perfect. Nothing in life really is. So you've got this going on, okay? And as you can see, there's kind of like a part that sticks out. What you can do with that is you can either just cut it straight, or you can fold it, and you can fold it back and forth a few times and then rip it off if you don't have scissors. But I'm going to save time by just cutting it myself. Okay. Can the French teacher cut a straight line? That remains to be seen. Y'all, please tell me that this is pretty because I need the encouragement. So here we go. Here is your now almost perfect square, and it does not have to be perfect. What we're going to do now is fold it this way, unfold it, fold it this way, unfold it. So you're going to be making a plus sign in the middle of your paper, okay? Also, if you hear shouting, I think the neighbors are watching a movie, which, oh well, what can you do? So we folded it like this way, we've unfolded it. Now we are going to fold it again this way. So we've done it both sides, okay? So now it should have those creases. The lighting is atrocious, but I'm trying. So once you have that, open it back up and then take the corners and fold them inwards, okay? So there's that corner, this one's gonna come down, this one's gonna come up. Okay, I don't have any more hands, otherwise I would do the other one. So I'm gonna fold those. And what you're doing is you're touching the point of the corners to the little middle cross section where all of your creases are, okay? So just do that for all of them. All right. I'm probably going to have lunch after this video because my hands are shaky. That's not good. So this was not perfect, and that is okay. But now we've got this little friend. I'm trying to get you a lighting angle that isn't awful. Okay, so we've got this little friend going on. Now, what you need to do, turn it over. So now you're going to do the same thing. You're going to fold these in, but make sure that the inside, so what you're folding down on, is completely a flat surface. So you're not going to fold down from this side that has all the like funky things. So let me demonstrate one and then I'll show you what it looks like. So again, you're going to be folding it to the center point, okay? And then whenever you make this fold, you should see a split in the paper. If you don't see that split in the paper, then you folded it the wrong way. So there shouldn't be any flappy bits on this side because they're all on the back, okay? So now just business as usual. fold the rest of the corners. If only Jenny wasn't being antisocial, she would help me with this. She's a master folder, you know. All right, and here you go. So you've got an itty bitty square, and on the back of it, you've got flaps. On the inside, you have bigger flaps with paper splits in the middle. You can make a little pocket. Now what you need to do is fold this inward on the part that has the bigger triangles with the little pockets on it. So fold it in half this way, okay? Give it a little crease here and there. Open it up, do it the other way. Groovy, 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 groovy. And then that'll make it easier whenever we open it up later. It's going to make it easier to do the thing. So you put your fingers under the outer flaps here, okay? And then you kind of like encourage it. Yeah, so it's not perfect, but we tried. You just have to get a little creative pushing it out. This is what the finished product is going to look like, okay? So it has a little mouth. It can talk to you. It's your friend. It'll help you with your verbs. It'll be fine. We could even get a Kermit the Frog voice going on if we really wanted to, but we're not. So once you've seen that operations can continue as normal, go ahead and open this bad boy back up, okay? So the examples that I'm going to do are going to be être and avoir, but pay attention to your specific level and what verbs y'all are going to be looking at. For the ones, I think it's aller and faire. For the twos, it's dire and croire, I believe. And then the threes, it's savoir and connaître.